Here's a 2004 Fleetwood Jamboree that's loaded with some great features. At 24 feet long with a living room slide, you'll have more room for living and entertaining. The exterior is in excellent condition, has a mesmerizing shiny appearance, and shows only slight signs of wear and tear. This nice coach has passed our thorough inspection process and earned the Inspected and Protected seal of approval. It also includes a free Carfax report and the industry's best extended warranty. Built on a Ford E450 chassis, this coach uses leaf springs and gas-charged shocks to give you a smooth and stable ride. The combination of a Ford Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine and an automatic transmission has low miles and will give you many more years of adventure. Exterior features include a 15-foot patio awning, shown here before receiving brand new replacement fabric, and slider topper awning. There's plenty of underbelly storage in the 4 standard compartments. You'll love using the entertainment center with TV hookups and AM/FM CD stereo to enhance your patio space. There's also an outside shower and rear ladder. The tinted windows provide protection from interior fading. Stepping into this Class C coach, you'll immediately hear the call of the road. Taking your place in the cab, you'll find plush velour bucket seats, tilt steering with cruise control on the wheel, in-dash AM/FM CD stereo, power windows and door locks, and map lights. Safety features include anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, driver and passenger airbags, heated and power adjustable side mirrors, exterior security lighting, and an entry door deadbolt. Plug into campground power or crank on the onboard generator. Set the slide, draw the privacy shades, and camp in the lap of luxury, which includes a convertible soft velour sofa. Relax anywhere to enjoy the 13-inch TV with attached VCR. Other viewing options include cable from a standard hookup or local channels via the roof-mounted antenna. You control what to watch and where with the Video Distribution Center. Entertain for dinner at the convertible dinette with gorgeous Formica top and comfortable fabric booth seating. High-end features include plush designer carpeting, fine wood accents, beautiful maple cabinets with polished chrome hardware, beveled mirror accents, and the elegance of the overall decor and fabric choices. You'll find RV living easy with ample counter space and storage in the nicely equipped kitchen, which includes brilliant Formica countertops, surface-mounted double sink with temperature memory faucet and separate drinking water dispenser, microwave oven, oven with 3-burner stovetop, and 2-door refrigerator freezer. The private bath with toilet, Formica top vanity with sink and mirrored medicine cabinet, and shower with garden tub, seat, and accordion door enclosure is given complete privacy in a separate room with a hinged wood door. There's plenty of storage and counter space in the nice-sized closet with stylish mirrored doors and in the small built-in dresser with stylish Formica top. When it's time to get some rest for the next day's adventure, choose your sleeping space from the converted couch or the converted dinette, or try out the full-size foam mattress above the cab. There are also window curtains and a sliding curtain for privacy. There's still more of this nice coach that you must see on your personal walkthrough tour, so contact us today. Click here to visit our YouTube channel and see all of our video listings, or click here to see all of our current Class C motorhome video listings. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all future listings. The perfect RV for you could show up tomorrow. Don't miss out. Subscribe today.